In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voices on NotebookLM. By the end, you'll take an audio overview from NotebookLM and give it a fresh voice using a voice changer, all in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to NotebookLM. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your content. Once you're in, open an existing notebook you want to work with. Pick the one that contains the material you want to turn into an audio file with a different voice. Inside the notebook, look for the audio overview. This is the feature that automatically summarizes your notebook into a spoken narration. If you don't see one yet, generate an audio overview and give it a moment to process. When it's ready and you can play it back, we're going to prepare it for the voice change by downloading it. Find the three-dot menu associated with the audio overview. Click that menu, then choose Download. Your browser will save the audio file to your default downloads folder unless you pick a different location. It's a good idea to rename the file to something clear so you can find it quickly in the next step. Now switch over to 11 Labs. Open the voice changer section. This is where we'll transform the sound of that audio without changing the words or timing. On the upload area, click to upload or drag and drop the audio file you just downloaded from NotebookLM. Wait for the upload to finish so the file is ready to process. On the right sidebar, click on Voice to open the voice selection panel. Browse through the available options and choose the voice that best fits your content and audience. Think about the tone and clarity you want, something engaging but still easy to understand. With your voice selected, click Generate Speech. The system will process the file and convert your NotebookLM audio overview into the new voice you picked. Processing time can vary based on length, so give it a moment. When it's done, you'll see the newly generated audio ready for review. Keep your original download as a backup so you can quickly try other voices later if you want a different feel. And that's it. You opened your notebook in NotebookLM, grabbed the audio overview, downloaded it, and used 11 Labs to give it a new voice. This simple workflow lets you keep your content while tailoring the sound to your style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating polished professional audio from your NotebookLM notes.